In a world where digital presence is paramount and opportunities for creative expression are boundless, there has never been a more compelling time to embark on a journey into the realm of YouTube. As we step into the year 2024, the digital landscape continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, presenting an array of opportunities for those who dare to seize them. One of the most profound avenues for individuals seeking to carve out their niche in this dynamic digital arena is YouTube. With its expansive reach and diverse audience, YouTube stands as a beacon of limitless potential for content creators, offering an unrivaled platform to share your passions, expertise, and unique perspective with the world. What sets 2024 apart as the perfect moment to embark on this adventure is the ever-growing demand for authentic, high-quality content, coupled with advancements in technology that make content creation more accessible than ever before. The anonymity afforded by the faceless nature of YouTube allows creators to focus solely on their craft, transcending barriers of appearance and identity to connect with audiences on a profound level. In 2024, the stage is set for those bold enough to step into the spotlight, to make their mark, and to leave a lasting impression on the digital landscape. So why wait? Embrace the opportunity that awaits, and let your voice be heard in the vast and vibrant world of YouTube.